recognition proper. But we have something called the Pinoy Pop Culture Icon Award. And this is something that we have been giving out since 2017. Actually, our very first awardees for this was Alodia. Alodia and ano tawag dito? The Mars Ravelo family. Kasi
Yes, correct.
Decided that since we are, ano tawag dito? Advocates of Pinoy pop culture in particular and pop culture in general. We wanted to recognize our creative talent and also, of course, those people who continue to bring pop culture, particularly the Filipino brand of pop culture. At napakarami. Like ako, ang kinalakihan kong pop culture are really the local comics. Diba? Yung mga Wakasan, Hiwaga. Naabutan mo ba yan? Na dati yung pinambabalot lang natin ng tinapa. Alam niyo ba kung magkano na yung mga local na comics ngayon? Kung makahanap niyo lang sila sa mga antique stores,
sa Cubao
X. Yeah, sa Cubao X. Magkano na yan? Siguro mga 300. Yung dating binibili lang natin sa palengke na, di ba? Nating 10 pesos. Ayan, wala na kasi tayong ganyan ngayon, di ba? Yung mga ganon. So, yan. So, those are the types of pop culture that I remember that really brought to the fore. Kaya nga, back in 2017, when we featured Darna for the very first time, we decided to award Mr. Mars Ravelo and of course his family with the very first ever Pinoy Pop Culture Award. Okay, and Alodia was also there because Alodia has always been pushing the frontiers of pop culture, particularly in the areas of cosplay and gaming. Ayan, so dahil lumaki na siya, she has really showcased, kumbaga, the brand of Filipino creativity to the world in the global platform. So we've had several other awardees in this year. The other awardees are si Mr. Paul Medina, who's here with us. Kung gusto niyo pa ma-meet ang creator ng Pugad Baboy. Ayan, that's Mr. Paul Medina. Dahil bilang siya ay isang tanyag na cartoonista and also espouses Filipino culture in his comic strip, Pugad Baboy. We decided to give him the award in 2018. And in 2019, our awardee was,
creator ng
Combatron, si Berlin Manalaysay. Of course, also in the field of creating a comic book character. Si Combatron, who later on went on to other media like ano tawag dito, like games. Okay, he's into games. He's also into figures.
That's right.
Statues. Ayan. So
and I think the people behind that has a stall here. Yung naggumawa ng Combatron figures, they're here.
Tama. So malaki pa rin ang Combatron and his impact on Filipino culture. So ganyan ang mga hinahanap natin ng mga stalwarts, advocates of Pinoy pop culture as they elevate
mga kapit-tapit
the Filipino pop culture. Okay, ngayon, I don't know ito, may video.
So may video to introduce
him. Do we introduce him first or we'll show the video first?
We'll show the video first.
Our awardee for the Pinoy Pop Culture Icon Award for our TOYCON 20. Please watch this video.
Here's my card. Sa akin nga na magsumbong. Diretso pa ang aksyon. Itirahin ko agad ang sumbong mo.
Tandaan, dalawang malalakas na bagyo, malalaking alon, at may malakas na hangin at ulan.
Abot pa ba tayo? Mabihira! Bumubulusok ka malaki na! Stop that nonsense! Kung ayaw mong i-live streaming ko ng buong buo yung nagdadrama at misteryoso mong sumbong! Masasabi mo naman ako ulit. Yan naman ako sa iyo, na!
Hindi na ako nanonood ng Jan and Marsha noon, ha? Ako ang presidente ng fans club ng Jan and Marsha Forever.
Kapag hindi mo tinigilan ang iyong kasamaan, tatanda ka mag-isa.
Ayaw nyo, lamot-lamutakin ko at lapila-pinutin ko hanggang sa mapanis yung inyong mga sumbong.
Timothy. Short for Timoteo Alexis de Los Santos. Nice to meet you.
Wala pa rin nakakatalo din yung bakitumba. Walang hiya-hiya, likas na makapalang mukha. Walang hiya kasi wagas na mabigay na tuwa. Just do it with a baby and I'll be down.
stage our Pinoy pop culture icon, Mr. Michael V! Hey, Bitoy!
Hi! Magandang gabi po!
Gabi na ba? Hapon pala. Welcome to sa TOYCON!
Thank you very much. It's always great to be in a TOYCON. Naalala ko yung mga unang TOYCONs pa, doon pa ako Oo. And I remember, nag-judge pa ako sa isang cosplay event.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, naalala mo pa yun?
Kaya nga,
In going back actually in my archive of pictures while preparing some videos, nakita ko talaga si Bitoy.
Yeah, I have it too.
2007, I think 2006, as far back then. Kasama mo pa si Francis M.
Tama.
So, that was amazing.
nahirapan ako mag-cosplay, nahirapan ako mag-judge sa cosplay, no? So I had to bring my own camera. Kaya kinukunan ko digitally, tapos tsaka ako gina-judge. Pero ngayon, sobrang dali na. Tsaka, grabing improvement ng mga cosplayers ngayon. Yung mga attendees ng con, ibang-iba na.
Ibang levels na sila.
Especially itong TOYCON, congratulations sa inyo lahat. And thank you all for coming. Napakasaya.
It's wonderful to have you, especially on our 20th TOYCON. We have great memories of you, not just in previous TOYCONs, but also as you being really a champion of Pinoy pop culture. Alam mo, first memory of you, Bitoy, was as a rapper from way
Yeah,
back when.
correct. Yeah.
Nung, di ba? And
Yeah,
as a singer,
Chong,
di ba?
maganda ang piliin mo.
Can you drop a beat for us?
That's how talaga naging stalwart si Michael. Kasi kasabayan of course, isa pang natin, sugi natin sa TOYCON, si Andrew.
Andrew.
Diba?
That's
Nung
right.
pinasikat ni Andrew ang rap, sumunod si Michael V.
And I always say na kung wala si Andrew E, wala rin Michael B. So thank you, parang Andrew. Thank you very much.
And of course, from then on, you ventured into showbiz, as we know it. Of course,
Movies and TV. Yan
movies
ang,
and TV,
target.
binuo mo ang bubble gang, ano tawag dito, of course, your other proud accomplishments, and of course, very recently, particularly during the days of the pandemic, pinakita mo ang iyong online, di ba? Online skills mo
Online
by being a
skills.
vlogger and showing to us
Influencer.
your toy collection.
Oo nga.
Di ba?
Doon dumami. Kasalanan ng mga kakilala ko dito eh.
Nabudol ka nila. Nabudol ka nila.
Ang daming sumubaybay sa'yo, especially, alam mo, during the time of COVID, ito medyo malungkot, but you were the first ones na nagka-COVID and you actually showed us your experience.
Oo, thank you.
At kami sumubaybay at talagang nagsimpan ka sa'yo.
Wala pang vaccine nun.
Wala pang vaccine, no? Di ba?
I survived!
So even then, di ba? Even then, parang sinamahan mo kami, even during the times which, were sort of, misfortune. Pero lumabas ka and talagang you really brought forth, di ba, all of the happiness that you bring with various channels.
Malaki rin ang masasalamat ko dahil kayo lahat, sinamahan nyo ko. Yung mga nag-subscribe sa akin sa YouTube channel.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Iba yung feeling nung nakakapagbigay saya ka kahit nandito ka lang sa bahay.
Oo, di ba?
And of course, iba rin yung sayang nakukuha ko dun sa mga nag-subscribe, nagko-comment, at saka mga nagla-like ng mga pinang-post natin.
But now you're hard back at work.
Kaya nababawasan yung pag-vlog ko eh. It's because back na tayo sa location shoots, face-to-face tapings,
What are the projects in store for Michael V?
Right now, nagpalit na ng time slot ang Bubble Gang.
Oh, nice.
So, Sundays na kami, starting July 9, 6 p.m. na ang Bubble Gang.
Sundays at 6 p.m.
6 p.m.
6
Tapos,
p.m.
ang Pepito Manaloto, tuloy-tuloy pa rin every Sunday sa Saturday nights. And of course, weeknights, mapapanood nyo ako sa Voltes 5.
Of course.
Sa mga isang katawan.
Yeah.
Alam niyo ba yun? Ito ang voice ni Octo One. Ayan.
Ayan na.
Ready ka.
Kaya lang hindi official. Antayin nyo, ginagawa na yung official license na merch ng Octo One
Octo One.
at ng Voltes 5, other Voltes 5 items. Kaya antayin nyo.
Nice. And of course, they can still follow you online on your channels.
Sa Instagram, it's Michael Bitoy. Tama ba? Michael Bitoy.
Hindi mo ata pinafollow sarili mo eh.
Hindi eh. Sa Facebook, Bitoy Story. And
Bitoy
of course, sa
Story.
YouTube, Bitoy Story. Hashtag Bitoy Story.
Nice. Okay, let's make this formal. Ikaw ay isang a recognized, ano tawag dito, Pinoy pop culture icon. Bibigyan ka namin ng isang token trophy. Like, hindi po ito yung actual trophy.
Hindi pa ito?
Hindi pa ito yung
Hindi pa ito na.
Sa lagay na yan, hindi
Congratulations. as a stalwart of Pinoy pop culture and really an example for all of us. Congratulations, Mr. Michael
Thank
B,
you. Thank
for
you.
being our Pinoy Pop Culture Icon Awardee
Thank
for
you.
TOYCON 20. Okay, picture mo na.
Thank you for this token and lahat nga pala ng embodiment ng pagkatao ko, itong buhay ko, itong naging career ko. It's because of my love for pop culture. And I'm glad na nakasama ako dito sa kultura natin ito. And I'm hoping na mag-improve pa yung kultura natin towards a better pop culture for the next generation.
Yes.
Nice!
And definitely, si Bitoy is an inspiration to very many people here. We have a lot of young kids here with us.
I
sure
try
they
so
look-
much.
Yeah, they look up to you. And you're one of those actually na para sa akin, personally, parang you're worth looking up to.
Oh.
So, maraming salamat.
So kids, matuto na kayong mag-rap dahil dyan nagsimula. We're also going to give you a couple more. Oh wow! Yung unang official TOYCON mascot. Ayan.
Ito, inaansay ko to.
And we're also going to give you our Pop Drunkers exclusives. Dito lang po, abang nandito yung artist. Coolness. Ayan.
Jesus.
Sige, so let's take some photos. And of course, from our friends from GMA, thank you so much to GMA for being our media partner for TOYCON 2023. Ayan. Picture muna tayo. And then we'll take a selfie with the crowd. Game!